Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Jade, and for today's video I am going to show you how to upload your YouTube channel art using your phone. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. Okay, let's start. First thing, you have to have your Google Chrome or any browser will do, but for this video I am going to use the Google Chrome. Type the youtube.com, and then bottom right part there's a three dots. You click on that and request desktop site. After that, you go to your picture, just click on your picture, and then press your channel, then customize channel, and you click that pen on the upper right, click edit channel art. So mapupunta kayo dito, and then select a photo from your computer, then photo library or kung saan nyo man sinave yung inyong channel art. And then yan, so uploading. Ang daming pop up. Uploading. Come on, let's go. So ito yung magiging itsura for desktop, then for TV, your phone. Ayan. So if you want to adjust, you can adjust using this adjust the crop button. Pero itong sa akin, I don't think i-adjust ko pa siya because it's like perfectly fit. Then click select. So ayan na siya. So ayan na yung bago kong YouTube channel art. And may mga nagtatanong regarding this, like follow me on Instagram and Facebook button. So how to put that link directly para i-click na lang nila yan. No need to copy and paste your link. So that's it guys for the video for today. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye!